Hello, my darlings, and welcome. Thank you for joining me as I create an enchanted return to cinder candle and perform a simple personal protection spell. Let's do some magical crafting. Candles are used in all kinds of magic and ritual, witchcraft, conjure, ceremonial magic, root work, and folk practices. I'm crafting this candle to align with the magical goal of returning negative energy to the cinder. As I create this candle, I will infuse it with this intention. If your traditions call for it, you may wish to bless your candle, chant or speak words while creating it, invoke a deity, or pray over it. I begin by melting some soy wax flakes over a very low heat. Melt your wax slowly over a low heat and do not boil or burn your wax. If you see any smoke, your wax is burning. Turn the heat down. As the wax begins to melt, this is the perfect time to add your energy and intention as you stir the liquid. Stir with intention. With each turn, I weave my will. Send the harm, return the ill. Safe and shielded, here I stand. Return to cinder by my hand. Once the wax is completely melted, it's time to add some ingredients into the liquid. Make sure to turn off the heat before adding anything into the wax. I'll be adding 2 essential oils into my wax to scent the candle. I chose these ingredients because they're magically correspondent to protection. These essential oils will be the fragrance for my candles as well. Frankincense is highly valued for its potent purifying properties. It's used to cleanse spaces, objects, and individuals of negative energies, creating a spiritually clean environment. Frankincense essential oil is resinous, providing a deep, rich, and slightly sweet aroma that's instantly recognizable. Dragon's blood resin is renowned for its strong protective qualities. It's often used to create a powerful shield against negative and harmful influences. It's commonly used in rituals to banish negative energies, spirits, and influences. Its purifying properties help to cleanse spaces, objects, and individuals. The primary notes are sweet, and there's a spicy undertone that adds warmth and depth to the fragrance. With all of my ingredients added into the wax, I stir my intention into it one more time. With each turn, I weave my will. Send the harm, return the ill. Safe and shielded, here I stand. Return to cinder by my hand. I found this dish at a thrift store and I've used it on my altar for a few years. Now I've decided to repurpose it as a candle holder. I'm going to add 2 wicks into this bowl. I'm sticking them down with double stick tape so they don't shift around. And I'm also making sure they are several inches apart for fire safety. I'm concerned with this shallow, wide dish that a single wick would get overwhelmed by the wax and sputter out. That's why I'm adding 2 wicks to this container. I'm using 2 chopsticks, 1 on each side of the wicks, and 2 binder clips to ensure that the wick stays straight up and down. As the candle begins to cool and harden, a quick word from this video's sponsor. This video is brought to you by my patrons. The Magical Crafting Patreon is a space where you can support my work and this channel. There are so many reasons to join. Patreon is where I share the monthly community sigil artwork and post notifications for all of my video content so you never miss an upload. Each month I post reminders and links for my art livestream, my crafting livestream, and my monthly Plan With Me livestream, so you never miss a chance to hang out and craft with me. You can participate in polls and give feedback about what you'd like to see on the channel, and there are lots of rewards every month. Each month I create and share a printable monthly mood board and digital wallpapers for your phone and tablet. I post a set of 4 printable planner sticker pages with a new monthly color scheme and theme. And I share a printable Book of Shadows page for my patrons. And all of my patrons have access to the large library of my earlier pages as well. In the higher tiers, you can become a pen pal or sigil spellbag patron. And a new reward tier is in the works and coming soon. There are so many reasons to join my Patreon community. I hope you'll visit at the link below the video. Now that the candle is mostly cooled and hardened, it's time to add some additional protective magic to the top of the candle. I like to use a heat tool to melt a little bit of the surface wax to adhere gemstones and other items to the top. The first item I'm incorporating will add another element of protection, and that's witch's black salt. You can purchase black salt or make your own with magical intention. I have a video on how I created my protective black salt, and I'll add a link below if you're interested in learning how to make your own. Fire agate provides strong protective energy, creating a shield against negative influences and harmful energies. It's known for its ability to protect from psychic attacks and harmful magic. This stone enhances courage and confidence, helping to overcome fear and face challenges with determination. Obsidian is a powerful protective stone. It creates a strong shield against negativity, curses, and harmful influences. It's often used to safeguard against psychic attacks, and it's specifically effective in protecting against curses, hexes, and other forms of magical harm. I'm adding Nazar or evil eye beads to the candle as well. I'm adding them around the outside edge so they don't touch the candle flames. The evil eye symbol has been considered a protective talisman for thousands of years, all over the globe. It's meant to return a jealous or malevolent intent. And finally, selenite is known for its strong purifying properties. It's often used to cleanse and recharge other crystals and spaces of negative energies. Selenite provides a protective shield against negative energies and entities. It creates a calm and serene environment, making it ideal for protective work. When making your candle, incorporate the ingredients that you have on hand. You do not have to include all of the ingredients I show in this video. As always, my tutorial should only be a starting point for you to develop your own craft. I've created a Book of Shadows page for this spell candle recipe. It explains the magical correspondences of the herbs and crystals in this candle. If you'd like to download a PDF of this grimoire page, you can visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. With the Return to Cinder candle complete, I'm going to use it in a very simple protection spell. I'm using the candle as well as a mirror and a rosemary herbal wand for cleansing my space. I place the mirror facing the candle and light the candle. I then light the rosemary wand and begin cleansing my space with the smoke. You may wish to move in a counterclockwise or Widdershins direction for banishing. During this process, I repeat this incantation. With this flame, I call to thee, return all harm sent to me. Hexes, curses, harm, undo, reflect pain back to where it's due. Mirror bright and candle flame, reflect the harm, return the same. To the source the pain shall go, as I will, it shall be so.